MS projects. In this course, I'll be presenting to you software project management framework and concepts. Towards this, I'll be extensively using MS Projects Professional so that you not only learn project management but also the MS project tools as such. In the market, you'll find courses on project management, and separately you'll find courses on MS Project Professional as well. But rarely you'll find an integrated course. Project management being more of concepts and theory, it could be vague at times, particularly for a beginner. For a learner, one would understand better through practical approach of simulated activities. As a matter of fact, have a business scenario case built into the course wherein participants are expected to use MS projects to plan, execute the simulated project, and analyze results through earned value analysis. If one compares the software industry with other industry, there are challenges in software industry. For example, one takes the construction industry. It happens at the same location and all the phase results are clearly visible. The same cannot be said with the software industry. The development or the coding efforts are not visible until the testing is over. And more importantly, these days, the development team is spread across. You will have an on-site team, you have an offshore team, and if they don't work in a collaborated way, the project could have challenges as well. And also, in the software industry, if the scoping, scheduling, casting is not right from the proposal or bidding stage, and also if it is overlooked at some stages, the end results might not be on the expected lines. Now, let's look at the target audience for this course. If you are a computer science student, you may have a subject on software project management. Being a theoretical paper, you're likely to find it difficult to understand. As discussed, I've extensively used MS projects so that learning becomes simple and effective as well. You are a fresh computer science graduate, you would have learned programming language, but in software industry, it's all about projects. So one needs to talk the same language to your peers, to your project managers, to your program managers. So this is where this course will be an eye-opener for you. And finally, if you're already a developer planning to get into the project management and get certified, either a PMP or a CAPM certification, this course will be a real eye-opener for you. And finally, a brief about me. I am Guharajan. I have over 25 years of IT experience in product development, consulting and training as well. I have spent over a decade in Oracle consulting and education and have managed projects and programs in range of 6 million and effort over 3,000 man days. So I'm more of an experienced working professional and wanted to share my experience through teaching in this course. Regarding my education, I'm Bachelor in Engineering, Computer Science, and a Management graduate as well, and a certified PMP since year 2007. Let me again welcome you to this course. I hope you'll enjoy the journey of learning project management and MS project as well. Thank you and good luck to you.